Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw the minions from Despicable Me 4 with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by drawing the outline of my first minion. Here is the head, glasses, little strand of curly hair, and a flashlight it is holding. Here are the arms, hands, and torso, and the legs, shoes, and socks. This minion has a confused look on its face. On to my second minion. Here is the outline of the head, hair, legs, and shoes. Now onto the minion's two big eyes and glasses. I am drawing a determined expression on his face. Here is the business shirt of the minion and even a tie. How funny! Now onto the minion's weapon. Time for my third minion. Here is the minion's big head, arms, legs, shoes, and flashlight. This minion had one eye only. Let's make it a big eye with one big spectacle on it. This minion has a mischievous look on its face, and that's the light outline done. Now to go over it in black marker. Now it's time to paint my minion characters. I'm starting with my first minion character. I am using a yellow color. On to my second minion character, and now the third. Now to paint the minions' business suits. I am using a blue color. I will now paint the minions' eyes. I am using a red color. On to painting the minions' investigation tools. I am using a light blue color and a dark blue color to create some texture. I am using a gray color to paint the minions' glasses. And that's it. I'm all done. Do you like it? Make sure to subscribe and get in touch by letting me know what you would like to see me draw.